Hello, hi, welcome to a very special walk and talk number 2. This is the Horatio Rainforest in near Forks in Olympic National Park. Of course, Forks is not just for vampires and werewolves. It's actually a gateway to this place, a very nice rainforest, and you know, a World Heritage Site, I believe. Anyway, today I was gonna talk about. Yesterday I was gonna talk about compromise. Uh, the compromise of the America, the foundation of a country was on compromise, like the Great Compromise, which was great because we had a Senate, so it's House of the House of Representatives. But somehow during the Obama term, we forgot to how to negotiate, and some things because of the Tea Party, some things because of Obama, some things because of the economy. But it's different. It goes like this. We had the Bush term where the Republicans were going wild, having two wars, not doing anything except for doing two wars. That's my sister. Anyway, and as the power was taken away from the Obama situation, I think they got scared. For some reason they got scared. Maybe because we have African American president. Some maybe because it was a very reasonable president that will take his time to talk something. Maybe take his time. Somehow by recession, somehow by things. I'm saying it's a combination of all things. That's basically what I'm saying. The right is becoming afraid and starting to kind of bully because of their inferiority. Because in the 2008 election, they had supermajority on both houses. So it was kind of scary on the Senate and on other things. And people were quite scared. The right was quite scared. And because the Tea Party kind of stand up for, it's a, very bad recession going on here. And people, the, the government's trying to do something. It's this mistrust the big things like the government and things. So the big thing cannot do anything. Like, can trust the government. It's the government things instead of what the banks did. And basically, it's a bullying thing. It's a bullying construct that there's the inferiority of the right, which kind of infuriates the left, and they're just inferior of itself. It's kind of sad that uh, I had this. It's that everyone. I had this thought. I mean, it's a very disjointed thought. It's a very forced, a very calm force. You can't think quite logically. So the views are here as we walk by. A very nice view. If you look around here, lovely, lovely. Okay, lovely, 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 lovely. Very nice view. Anyway, I couldn't. It's just so lovely. I can't speak. Anyway, basically what I'm saying is that everyone is afraid. It's that original sin. That's an inherent afraidness, inherent inferiority that leads to someone to bully and leads to someone else to cower and fear. There's everything. Everyone's being afraid. Everyone feels that it's so neat to get someone to be afraid. It's a it's a quite weird thing. Everyone it's a some equality, something pushing up, some superiority that people just need to be hoobity hoobity hoo to other people. tactics and stuff like that. I mean, if everyone knows that they're afraid, maybe you should be talking out instead of just scaring other people. Maybe the bully and the bullier kind of talk with each other. Because in all, everyone has the same ideas. We're humans, by the way. Yeah, I think humans have the same ideas, but we're just afraid to talk about it. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna stop here. I very disappointed to talk. Maybe the next one will be a little bit better. Alright. From the whole race first. David Kimura. Alright.